Hey guys, welcome back. So this is gonna be my last video of the night, and it's using Andy's shop, his butterfly explosion box. This is my first explosion box ever, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wait till you see what it looks like. But this is what it looks. These are the dies. So it comes with a lot of pieces to make the box itself. And basically, you need to cut this 4 times. Everything that has these little sections here, you cut 4 times. And it comes with the layering pieces. This is a layering piece. This is the little vase that's inside. And I'm telling you, it creates such a cute box. And it's a nice size. It is 3.5 by 3.5 by 3.5. Okay, so this is what the outside looks like. I added these little hearts from my stash. I added a little trimming, that flower. I have a tutorial if you want to know how to make that flower. It's super easy. It's using the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And when you open it, look. Isn't this gorgeous? I freaking love it. So let me show you each panel. Okay, so this one here, it says hello gorgeous. And then I just added my Winnie dolls in each of the little panels. And then each one has double butterfly. See, the inside and then the top. And then I added that little bowl from my stash. And that is the little vase. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then I added that flower that I got from Michael's. But look, like, I will keep this open. Like, this is so freaking cute. But yeah, what do you guys think? Again, it took me forever. It took me forever because it has so many layers. And this feels, it's tough. It's strong. Feels really good. And the butterflies, I added like little bling. You can't see the girls, but they have shine also. And that's it. This is my project share from Andy's shop. And you see, when you close it, it closes like that. It's super easy. Look at that. But open it. Look. Isn't it cute? Oh my god, I love it. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I will put the links in the description bar for this explosion box. And I hope you guys pass by, like it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.